Today I'd like to teach you a great bluesy introduction riff. It's a chord melody that everybody can learn to play. I'm going to demonstrate it on low G and high G ukulele, and then we'll learn how to use it in a song. So I hope you'll get your ukuleles. Let's do this. We're starting right now. Thanks for joining me. My name is Stu Fuchs. This is Ukulele Zen. I put out content like this each and every week on my channel, so I hope that you'll click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you stay in the loop of every time I put up a video. I'd like to dedicate this video to a patron who lives in Scotland. Morris Murray, you are the man. Thank you so much for your enthusiastic support, and thank you for requesting this very cool riff. You can follow along right here on the screen. To get a printable version of this tablature, click the links below to join my Patreon page. There are all kinds of great perks waiting for you there in exchange for your membership. Thanks so much for your support. Appreciate you being here. Let's begin. This is what it sounds like on low G tuning. By the way, if you're playing baritone, please feel free to drop a capo on your 5th fret so you'll be in the same key as this lesson. Otherwise, just play it in your baritone tuning. You'll be in the key of G. Here's the riff. I'll break it down later. 1, 2, 3. You'd begin your song. Right now, I'd like to break down the riff a little slower so you can get it under your fingers today. Notice how there are suggested fingerings on the tablature. That tablature is available at the links below at my Patreon page. The riff begins with a walk up to the C chord, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3. Then it walks down to an A7 chord, beginning on the open C string. And notice we're playing a different kind of A7. This is a voicing frets 2, 1, and 3, and the top string is being muffled by my ring finger. Next, we walk up to a D7 chord. Just leave your middle finger right where it is. Notice what my first finger did. It slides up to that fret and then bars, which prepares the D7 chord. And now this is my favorite part. You get a little blue note in here. Okay, we have a non-chord tone. Immediately after, the same walk up to C. And then we round it off with a G7 chord. Let's do it one more time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And you're into the tune or you're ending the tune. It's a slightly different game when you play it on a high G ukulele, but it's just as fun. Check it out. The walk up to C now begins right here, 3rd fret, 3rd finger on the 2nd string. 1, 2, 3. Next part, we walk down 1 fret at a time. And I'm using that same new voicing of A7. Now we walk our way up to a D chord. It's going to be the bar, and we're going to begin with the open A string, every note on the A string. And now for the blue note, we're going to do something interesting with our hand. Notice what I did. I used the 1st finger twice, and that sets up the pinky to reach the 5th fret. Open, back to the 3rd fret, and now the same riff that began it. Strum C, strum G7, and then you're into the tune or ending. One more time, here we go. 1, 2, 3. And then you'd begin. So go ahead, rewind this video, practice this riff a few times, and you'll be ready to apply it to a song. click right here to watch a play along video for a great song called I'm the King of the Whole Wide World. We're going to apply this riff to that tune. There's going to be chords and lyrics for you to play along with. So go ahead, click right here. Thanks so much. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give this a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I'll see you in the play along right now. Thanks for being here.